Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yusril Falah. In here, I'm going to tell you a story about the fool of two men. This story is based in Gotham, a little town in England. This short story is for speaking final exam assignment from Mr. Lee. Once, there was a man from Gotham going to market to buy sheep. At Gotham Bridge, he met a man who had just come back from the market. "Where are you going?" asked the man who had just come back to Gotham.
"I'm going to market to buy sheep,"
answered the other. "But which way are you going to bring your sheep back home?" asked the first man.
"I will bring my sheep over this bridge,"
answered the second one. "But sorry, you shall not go over this bridge. You shall not," sighed the first man.
I will go over this bridge. This is my way,"
said the second man.
"No,
"You shall not. You must go over that way," sighed the first man again.
who are you? No matter what happens, I will bring my sheep over this bridge. This is my way,"
sighed the second man. Soon, the two men began to fight. They fought and fought until they got quite hurt. How foolish they were! They fought over sheep that which were not here. Okay, I think that's enough from me. If there's any mistake I made, I'm deeply sorry. And sorry again if this short story is literally short. Okay, enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.